So here we're mixing these three sweeteners, and I'm going to assign their weights to be A, B, and C pounds each. So the ratio we're looking for is A to B to C in the final mixture. So I'll start with statement one. The cost, they give you the cost of each of these sweeteners, and those are the weights in pounds. So not the price, this is in pounds. So the cost of this mixture would be the price per pound of this sweetener A times the pounds of it. So this is the weighted average, 50B plus 60C. Then you divide by the total weight, and that is given to us as equal to 50. So that clearly is not going to give us the ratio. What I'm going to do is to manipulate this a little bit, and sometimes, not in this particular case, but it's helpful to see what it simplifies. You'll see the P part drops out. Sometimes, these questions, if they were asking about, and I'll show you how they could use this in a different question. So you get A equal to C. So for example, if the original question was, what's the ratio of the sweetener A to C, then it will be 1 to 1, and then this would have been sufficient. But they're asking for the ratio of all three, so that's not insufficient. So that's why I always say maybe manipulate the equation a little bit just to see what it's saying, and also pay attention to the question. Statement 2, there's no information about the price of the individual sweetener, so I'm going to use the quantity P sub A and then multiply by the pounds of sweetener A. And so this is for translating the first piece in the statement 2 times B over A plus B. The average price of sweeteners A and B in the mixture is 45. Same thing with the sweetener B and C. B plus C, this is equal to 55. So we have no information about the price, so clearly we can't come up with that triple ratio. So 2 is out. If we combine 1 and 2, we can bring in the prices here because these numbers are given to us. So that would be 40A plus B is 50 over A plus B is 45. So this we can manipulate. And you'll see that it has to be 1 to 1 because that 45 is halfway between 40 and 50. So you don't necessarily need to even do the algebra, but you'll see. So A is equal to B. And then if you do the same thing here, B is 50, 50B plus 60C. Again, you'll note that the weighted average is halfway between the price of each one, so therefore B has to be equal to C. So when we combine 1 and 2, A is equal to B equal to C. Their weights are equal, which means they're in the ratio of 1 to 1 to 1. So the two statements combined are sufficient. The answer is C.